So today I'll be showing you how to make your Instagram account private. So what you want to do is simply launch Instagram and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. That takes you to your profile page, and then tap on the three-line button in the top right corner and then select settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, scroll down until you get to account privacy. Tap on that. And currently my account is private. It's public. Now, if I want to make it private, all I need to do is turn on the toggle button next to private account. And once I do that, my account is gonna get private. So from now on, only people I have allowed to follow me, or only my current followers, will be able to see my profile and my posts. And also new followers will have to request and I'll have to accept them to be able to become my followers. And that is basically how to make your Instagram account private. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.